Well, I hear something going on out in the house. I don't know what it is, but let's go find out. There's Nelsa sitting at the computer. Oh, and Mommy's with her. Oh, look, we've got a new dishwasher. His name is Carlo. Hey, Carlo. Washy dishy? Oh, what is going on here? Hey, honey, what are you doing?
Nilsa wants to practice this one because she wants to practice the moves.
Practice the moves, huh? I don't see any practice going on, just talking.
Okay, don't say hello, huh? Okay, wait.
Oh, come on.
Wait, honey, I'm gonna know. Starla. She wants the Starla. This one. This is one of her favorite.
One of her favorites.
Yeah. You don't want to eat avocado?
No thank you, honey.
Kal na avocado dito Ano si ko? Avocado dito. Ako na lang mo kato avocado. Hindi man mo kanan mo avocado. This is Starla, honey.
This is who?
Starla.
Starla?
Yeah. That's the movie in the ano.
Oh.
Oh, look at this.
No sabi.
Look who is.
Oh, what's going on here?
What's going on with you? You are lazy.
Looks
lazy.
like Tiger's ready to take a nap for the night.
Lazy Tiger.
Tiger, you gonna go sleep?
You gonna go sleep?
Go two logs, right, Tiger?
Go to look.
Yeah?
Go to log. She do look at that. Hey! That's a private area. Hey, dance, daddy. Dance, daddy. Go, daddy.
I thought Nelsa was going to dance.
Yeah. Go like that.
Wait,
honey. Doot.
Hey, Tiger, you're going to be TikTok famous. Maybe. Huh?
Kiss to daddy, kiss. Kiss to daddy.
Okay, let's go back over here and see what Nelsa. Nelsa! What are you doing? Aren't you going to practice your moves?
Oh, shit. What happened?
Hey, wala kaka.
Baso, Carl.
Oh, look.
This is biodegradable. Biodegradable.
Yeah, no, that's not biodegradable.
This one, honey, no?
Yes.
Sa blue na kan. Wala, baso lagi yung something.
Okay, you're fired, Carlo.
Ako nagmayo.
Dito na tuyo.
Okay lang kayo, dagay baso ngayon, honey. Yung buwan lang ba na
Nelsa,
okay.
are you going to practice your moves?
She's not listening because she's trying to.
Asali, sa blue.
Blue one. Starla, ano one?
Okay.